Welcome to ByteNote. In this video, we will explore and practice one more trick of PowerPoint. Triggers help you to start a sequence of animations by clicking on a specific object. When multiple triggers are open, then the path or sequence of animation will not be followed. In this example, we use cover for triggers to control animation path. Covers to control path of animation. In this example of frog reaching the castle, the following number sequence of 1, 2, 3 has to be followed. But if we click the leaf labeled 5, then the frog will directly move to 5, skipping others in the sequence. We will use covers to control the sequence of movement. Insert the shape oval as cover over the object. Resize it and the shape fill as white. Remove the outline. Duplicate the cover and place it over all the other objects in the sequence. Select all the cover objects and then set the transparency to 100%. This will ensure the cover objects to be hidden, but all the covers will be present over the trigger objects, hiding them. Then start renaming all the cover objects like cover flower, cover bird. Continue renaming all of them. Select all the covers, add exit disappear animation to all the cover objects. The next step is to move covers with animation under the corresponding triggers. Thus we will be able to control sequence of movement. Subscribe and watch out for more tips and tricks.